All right, today we're gonna bring a water hose. Now it has two different forms that you could twist it and it'll sprinkle or straighten it out. Now you could lock it in, automatically lock in the water hose here. You'll attach it there, it locks it in, and it'll automatically continue spraying. Okay, there's another control valve here, and also there's a detachable. So this works with the actual, if you detach it, it actually goes in all the way and it locks in automatically and it'll start sprinkling. So you want to change it out, you just pull it, you pull back, and that's it, snaps out. Simple. They give you two conversions, kids. They give you additional one in case you got to put it on the top. If you got a different rotation, a different water hose, they give you two different types of it, and we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.